All right, welcome to day 2 of the 7 days challenge. Super excited to be here with you guys. This is London session, and we are going to be jumping straight into it. We're going to be jumping straight into it. Right, drop some fire below if you're pumped up and you're excited about today's session. So, at the beginning of the session, we'll start by guiding you through some of the tools that you're actually using, which are very, very critical tools. As you can be able to see yesterday, this was the US 30 that you were able to catch it during New York session. Was such a great push. On the lower time frames, you could be able to see how it was able to hit the take profit 1 and take profits 2. That was just a scalp move that you were able to take. Another big move that if you took the trade you should be actually in was the GBP AUD trade idea, which I'm still holding this trade. Maybe we can log in. Based on, as I told you, during this during this 7 days London session. This is going to be the most transparent 7 days trial that you are going to be going through. I'm going to be sharing with you how exactly I am taking and executing trades in my accounts, right? In my personal accounts. You can be able to see this was the US 30 buy. We picked it up. So yesterday we took a GBP, that GBP trade idea, and I want to show you. For me personally, I've not closed my trade idea. I want to show you where exactly my stop loss is, okay, so that you can really be able to understand what exactly we are doing here. And then I will show you some of the tools that you're using. Okay, as you can be able to see, this is still my position here on GBP AUD. Okay, maybe we can open it. This is still my position here on GBP AUD. Here's my stop loss. I'm still holding this GBP AUD trade idea. I expect it to continue pushing high, right? I expect it to continue pushing high. And what will happen today if we get into another trade, or if we get another trade opportunity, we are going to reduce the risk for the GBP AUD trade idea, and we are going to be participating into another trade. Okay, so that is the update. So real quick, just to show you first of all some of the tools that we are using on the 7 days trial. The first tool that you're using is on your on the Winsor broker. This is the broker that you're actually using to trade before we jump into the analysis. So I'll start by explaining to you guys. What I'm doing here, this what you're seeing here, this is a copy trading account, right? I want to have an account whereby people can be able to copy my trades also. So I've been able to put it on a very low budget that can be able to accommodate. I was able to hear some people saying, when we copy you, your lot sizes are so big. So I was like, I'm going to open an account that can be able to cover majority of the people. So you can be able to come, open your Winsor account, and you can be able to copy my trades also, so that you can be able to. So this is BMM version 3 that is actually trading. I'm not even the one who is trading on this account. Okay, so the returns are really looking good, are really looking great. So the tool that you're using here is the trade ideas on Winsor. This is the first tool that you're actually using on this 7 days trial, and what you're using is a strategy known as the confluence trading strategy. Okay, so what the tool does is it will be able to analyze the market for us. For example, you can be able to see here it is telling us GBP USD. We are looking to be able to take a look at buys on the 1 hour time frame. So what I will do is I will just come here and take a look at GBP USD. Okay, if I take a look at GBP USD, I'll be able to take a look at where exactly it is telling me to buy, and I'll be able to switch on my BMM version 2. So on my BMM version 2, I can go on the lower time frame, and on the lower time frame, what I will just expect from it is from the buy that you have actually been given, is it in confluence with the BMM version 2? And that is how exactly we are using this tool, just to help us with the confluence trading. We can be able to see here also Euro card. It is telling us to buy on the 15 minutes time frame. So you want to come here Euro card, and on Euro card, on the buy that is telling us to buy on the 15 minutes time frame, we want to confirm if our BMM version 2 is also in line with that buy. All right, that is exactly what we are doing. If you take a look at also Euro GBP, okay, it's on the 1 hour time frame, so we are going to just, that is how we'll be trading on Euro GBP. That is what will actually be, that's how we will be trading on the 1 hour time frame. Is giving us a sell, so we'll have to confirm. So also just an update on where you can be able to get access to all of these tools. So here on the live session, let me go back. If you go on the description, if you go on the description, you'll be able to see several links that will be able to guide you. Okay, so if you want the access, so we have BMM version 1 and BMM version 2. So BMM version 1 is where we are giving you access to the free software itself, right? And the BMM version 1, this is how it looks like. Okay, we're giving you access to the free software itself. You can be able to get access to the software itself, and this is how it is looking like. Okay, but the BMM version 2 on the trial, we can only just give you access to the trade ideas that it's giving us on this analysis. So if you want to get access to the free BMM version 1, all you just need to come here is on this link where it's telling you get access to the BMM version 1 free. When you click it, right, when you click it there, you'll be able to fill in your name, fill in your email, and then after that, it will be able to redirect you to a page. And on this page, I am explaining to you exactly how to set it up. And after explaining exactly how to set it up, you come here, download your BMM version 1 for absolutely free. So the next thing is, during this 7 days trial, I'm going to be giving you access. If you want to get access to the software itself, which is the BMM version 2, here on the description also you'll be able to see get BMM version 2 for $30 offer. All right, so you can be able to come here, click on this link. After you've clicked on that link, you'll be able to fill in this form. Make sure that this is your WhatsApp number so that I can be able to share with you the coupon code that you can use to get access to, if you want to have the software itself installed on your trading view the way mine it's installed. That is going to get an offer for only $30. That is going to run only during this 7 days trial. Okay, so you can come fill in your form, fill in here, and I'll be able to give you the coupon code. I'll reach out to you personally on WhatsApp to be able to share with you that, right? The other last update is on 4th of this month, we'll be having our physical event that will be able to be launching different scanners that we are actually introducing, there's a POC scanner, which we're calling it the point of control scanner. We have the BMM version 2 scanner, we have the BMM version 3 scanner, and we have the BMM auto trading scanner also, all right, which you're going to be launching on 4th of this month. So we are based on giving you all the updates that you need to be able to have the tools that you're using on this session. I will get into the analysis, guys, so that you can be able to see if we can get a trade idea for today. All right, so that you can be able to see if we can get a trade idea for today. So let's take a look at the trade ideas that you have been able to get here. So I will just reload this page so that you can be able to see if we have any updates. Okay. Let's see which trade ideas do we have. So this is GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. It is a buy. So we take a look at GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. We are having a buy on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so if you're having a buy on the 1 hour time frame, I'll be able to take a look at some things that just technical analysis, guys. Also, I'll be teaching you how to do technical analysis also during this session. Okay, so clearly on the 4 hours time frame, I can be able to see this. Okay, I can be able to see this, which for me, this one is a very good indication of a channel that we are in here. Okay, I like keeping it simple. Now we just want to see, okay, price has been able to come and hit our area here. Maybe we can also go on the weekly time frame just to take a look at it clearly so that you can be able to see critical zones that we have. Okay, so you can be able to see price was able to push high above high, higher, high, higher, high, higher, high, higher, high. This was a retracement here, which it failed to create another low on this particular area here. Okay, price failed to create a new low on that particular area there. So on the daily time frame, weekly time frame, go down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it's always, guys, it's always important for you to take a look at the higher time frame, guys. The higher time frames, they give you clarity. Okay, they give you clarity of what is happening in the market. Okay, I can be able to see there is a very important zone here. Okay, there's a very important zone here that price, anytime price came here, it was able to reject from the above. Every time price came here, it rejected. Crime came here, pushed up, came here, tapped here, pushed, tapped here again, pushed to the up. All right, so we go to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, now I can be able to understand why. Okay, I can be able to understand why our system is giving us a buy, because for those people who like using supply and demand, those areas, you can be able to see here there's an fair value gap area here or zone, which price, remember, if you have not watched the previous video, I explained to you that a supply and demand zone is a previous contrary candle that caused this move. So here we can be able to see our previous contrary candle, which was here, caused this whole move, and price is coming back inside this particular zone. Okay, so just technical analysis also is very, very, very important, my friends. Technical analysis is very, 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 very important. So if I come here on the 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing? If I come here on the 1 hour time frame, what are we seeing? I can be able to see a very special area or a very special zone here. Okay, which on this area you can be able to see price came here, rejected, pushed up. Price came here, pushed up. Price came here again, pushed up. Prices come here, looks like it's creating a fake out somewhere here. It has rejected it, and let's see exactly what it has to do. So I will not, if I was getting into a buy here, I want my BMM to confirm for me a buy, which it has not confirmed a buy. So I don't think that is a trade idea that I will be considering. Okay, so we go to EuroCAD. I just wanted to do some technical analysis to just give you an overview of how you should be looking at the market. Okay, euro card. If we take a look at euro card, what is it giving us? Euro card, it's giving us a bullish in the 15 minutes time frame, but it has been able to already on the BMM, guys. It has been able to push up. So if we were to get into a trade, this will be the best place to get into this trade. So it has already hit take profit 1 and take profit 2. I don't think we'll play catch up with it. Okay, so euro USD bullish. Okay, I totally agree with this euro USD bullish. Let's take a look at what. Okay, I totally agree with this buy for euro USD. So just do technical analysis for the euro USD so that you can be able to see exactly what is happening. And on the 30 minutes time frame, it has already come back to the entry. Okay, even without the BMM, let's take a look at just some few technical analysis aspects here. Always remember, top-down analysis is very critical. Go to the higher time frames. The higher time frames will really tell you exactly what is happening in the market. So on the higher time frame, I can be able to see there is an area here. This area was very, very critical. This was on the daily time frame. Okay, can be able to see also price broke here, creating a new high. Okay, after price breaking there and creating a new high, we had this area also now as this was the last high that was created on the weekly time frame. We come on the daily time frame. I think you can be able to now to see this area, how this area pushed price down. After pushing price down, you can be able to see what actually happened. Okay, so we come on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we're just looking at special areas, guys, areas of concerns, areas of interest, and areas that you can look at. So now this area here, you see price was able to tap on this particular zone. Okay, price was able to tap again on this particular area, and then what you can be able to see what happened here is price was able to come, take a look at this, price was able to come break this area. After breaking this area, it has broken this zone, and then it is retesting it again. So you can expect price to continue pushing up, something like that. Okay, something like that. So if I look at it in a way broader way, I can take a look at something. This will be something like this on euro USD. It will be something like that, guys. Okay, take a look at that. Okay, created this higher low, created an higher high, pushed up, broken this support and resistance zone for us to continue pushing up. So now with this, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, let's take a look at what is happening here. First of all, I can be able to see this area here. You can be able to see no low, there's no new low that is being created past this area. Okay, after that, you can be able to see again price is breaking out of this zone. Okay, and after that, what you can be able to see now is if we switch on our BMM, we go to the 30 minutes time frame. Another thing, there's a checkbook or checklist that I usually give people who join or get the software itself. If you get the $30 offer, I usually give you an ebook or a checklist where I'm telling you, hey, we have 4 reasons to buy and 4 reasons to sell. Okay, so for me, this euro USD price having coming back into our entry, okay, I think this will be a good long position that you can actually participate in. All right, let's see on the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, on the 5 minutes time frame, I think we have something. Okay, so we wait for, I think this is a good buy, guys. This, to be honest, is a total good buy. Stop loss below. I think this will be quick scalp buys that you can be able to jump into. quick scalp buys. Can be able to see price has been able to come on this, and this is a weekly daily area. Okay, weekly daily area, guys. So let me wait for that candle to close. This might be our first trade idea for today as a euro USD buy. You can be able to see all the analysis that you've been able to look at. They are actually on point. Okay, they are actually on point. And if you take a look at on the 15 minutes time frame, on the 15 minutes time frame, we are having a hammer candle. Okay, here, this is a hammer candle that is forming here. Okay, so we calculate our stop losses here and we get ready for euro USD buys. Fantastic and amazing. Okay, if you're loving the session, guys, if you're loving the top down analysis and how I'm doing the analysis and how we are combining it with the BMM version 2, let me know, guys. Drop your comments below. My stop loss will be like a 19-20 pips stop loss. 19-20 pips stop loss, just to be below this area. And for those guys who don't know how to calculate lot sizes, we'll come here, lot size calculator. I'm telling you, if for me, when I decide to sit down and trade, I trade and I usually love it. That one I can tell you for free. That's why I usually tell people, I usually look at this trading as my retirement plan, because when I'm old, all I need is just to stay on my laptop and do what I've done. That's not hard. I'm telling you, that's not hard at all. So this will be a 2.5 lot size. So we just wait for a confirmation here. In the next candle will be a 15 minutes candle opening for us to be able to jump into this trade. So let's just wait and see how this candle will play out. Let's see how this candle will play out. Let me see, guys, on the comments. Are you loving the analysis? Are you loving the analysis, guys? Let me see. Do you like the analysis? Let me check on the comments here. Any questions also as we wait to be able to participate into this trade? So as I told you guys, every single trade I'm taking it in front of your eyes, my people. Okay, there is no hiding of anything here. Euro USD. We are looking at buying with the lot size of 2.5. Buying the lot size of 2.5. Okay, so we have decided that is a good buy for us. Risking only 1% of my account. Okay, it's pushing. It's pushing. So I'm going to participate into the buy, and my stop loss is going to be, that is a 20 pips stop loss on euro USD. 20 pips stop loss on euro USD. So yeah, it should be like 500. Okay, what's happening? Hope we don't have any news. I've not confirmed any news actually. Sometimes that's what I usually do. I usually don't look at news, and that's not really good. Okay, so if I am into that buy, if I am into that buy, I'm going to be reducing I'm going to reduce this stop loss here for my previous, for GBP AUD. I'm going to really reduce it to like 125 or something. That is a 0.25%. Okay, 0.25%. 0.25%. Yeah, that's a 20 pips stop loss, guys. That's a 20 pips stop loss. So my BMM is in, and trust on your trust your trades, man. Trust your analysis. So I'm going to share this. I'm going to share this on the Telegram group. I'm going to share this on the Telegram as our London session trade idea. We don't need a million and one trade ideas. As I usually tell you, if you have to take, like right now, yesterday I took one trade on this account, which was, this is Euro USD buy. So I think it's super insight. It's I love this session because I think it gives you an insight of, hey, you know what? Yes, we have the AI, but the AI is truly just giving us, like, you see some people, I tell them, hey, we have an AI that will give you your entry, stop loss, and take profit, and they just think now, like, okay, it will just be all about seeing a trade and just entering blindly, right? No, it does not work that way, right? It does not work that way. There are a lot of factors to consider, right? We are looking at stop losses, we are looking at entries, we are looking at price action, we are looking at top down analysis. And when you join our inner circle, that's exactly what we usually do, right? That's exactly what we usually do. We just don't give you this BMM AI, but we show you what exactly you need to be able to be successful. We literally show you these strategies. Okay, for example, the 5 reasons to buy, 5 reasons to sell, 4 reasons to buy, 4 reasons to sell, right? We do analysis like this. We have Asian session where we usually do analysis for Asian session. We have New York session where we usually do analysis for New York session. We have US 30 trading during for 30. And then we have also systems, more systems. Okay, so you just don't get out of, in the BMM community, you just don't get out of here with only just a scanner, but you start having what we call market exposure, right? You start understanding that, hey, in this space, stop losses will come in. All right, stop losses will come in. No, there's no way you'll be trading without stop losses. Okay, there's no way you'll be trading without stop losses. Like for me, the trade I've entered, it is not 100% guaranteed that it will be a win. Okay, it is not 100% guaranteed that it will be a win. All right, but I follow my plan. I follow my risk management. Okay, when I get into a trade, it's either it hits my stop loss or takes me out. And I do it every single day consistently. And that is what separates most of the people. Okay, that is what separates most of the people from people who win in this game and people who do not win. It's all about following a strategy to the T. Okay, it's all about following a strategy to the T. So I am done with this account. This account, I'm not going to touch it again. Okay, this account, I'm not going to touch it again. All right. All right. I'm not going to touch this account again. I am done with it. So it either, if both of them hits my take profits, will be amazingly up, right? But if one hits my stop loss, so if Euro USD hits my stop loss, I'll be down 1%. I'm totally fine with that. I'm very comfortable with that. This is a $50,000 trading account, right? If GBP AUD hits my stop loss, I'll be down 0.25%. I am totally fine with that. This is what is called now risk management, and this is what people don't show you, right? This is what people don't show you. Okay, this is what people don't show you. Okay, people only show you what? People only show you the blue screens. The blue screens. Oh my goodness. At what time? At 10:30, German flash. I'm looking at the news. German flash service. At 11, I think 10:30 is already past. At 11:30 we have, at 11 we have just not a super red candle. 11:30 we have GBP news coming in. At 4:45 we have this other news. But that's exactly how we trade, my brothers. That's exactly how we trade. Okay. Okay. But I'm truly expecting this thing to push up. There's a hammer candle here. Let me tell you why. I'm expecting it to push up. There's a hammer candle here. After this hammer candle that is being given, this zone here, let me even switch my BMM. This zone here is a daily. Okay, it's not a daily. Is it a daily or a 4H? It is a very, very strong area here. You can be able to see. Pushed down here, again pushed down here, and then price came, instead of price reacting from this area to continue down, price broke it to the above. Okay, so I am done with that account. And imagine that's in that account I'm done with it today. Okay, my next account now, I will actually log out. I will log out from this account. Okay, you can be able to see GBP AUD, it's still pushing up. GBP AUD, it's still pushing out, so it's still pushing up. I think I might still reduce the stop loss for GBP AUD. I think that one will be good. That will be like $60, perfectly fine. Okay, so almost like on one trade I'm almost like risk free, and then we hold for Euro USD. So I'm done with that account and I will log out from it. Today its work is over, so I will jump into my other funded account. Okay, and that is how you do risk management in your accounts. You do not stretch one account a lot. So have different accounts so that if you have this urge of taking trades, you see, when I usually tell people I usually take one trade in a day, they wonder, how do you take one trade in a day? And this is what I usually mean. I usually take one trade in one trading account. Okay, one trade in a day in one trading account. Are you learning something new today? Drop some fire emojis, guys, if you're learning something new today. Drop some fire emojis if you are truly learning something new today. Drop some fire if you're truly learning something today. Take a look at GBP card. GBP card, GBP card. So GBP card. What time frame are we in? 15 minutes. 15 minutes time frame. I'm sure here BMM has been able to give a trade idea which has already played out. So that one is gone. We take a look at Euro GBP 1 hour time frame. Euro GBP. One hour. Not yet, man. Not yet. We are on a very bullish thing here, so we don't want to go against the trend. We want to follow the trend. NZD CHF, 15 minutes bearish. NZD CHF. Oh, yo. Can you look at this? This is exactly what we are talking about. This is exactly what we are talking about. Are you able to see how it has been able to push down? So on this 7 days challenge, you'll be able to notice one thing. What you'll be able to learn a lot is being patient with your trades and just taking this trade as a whole journey. Okay, taking this trade as a whole journey, this trading thing as a journey, not a sprint, not something that you're expecting just to pay for your bills tomorrow, ASAP. Okay, and then you will make it fun. You'll make it fun. CHF, JPY. We have an inside bar in the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see CHF, JPY as our thing confirmed. No, our BMM has not yet confirmed if it's a sell, so no. Okay. So during your session, we'll come and tackle US30. Okay, some crazy volatile pair, but I just love it. We'll also look if gold today will give us a trade idea during New York. Okay, during New York session, there's a way we usually trade gold with the BMM version 2. So most likely, I just expect it to continue moving up. I still expect gold to continue pushing. I don't know it's pushing until where. What else? USD looks like it does not want to push up, but it's okay. We'll hold it. Just make sure that your stop loss is put correctly on Euro USD. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions? So in the next 5 minutes, we will be having some news coming in, but that will be no, that will be seen on Forex Factory. We have some news at 11 for Euro. Just some small thing though. Some small news. Some small news. Let me see if you guys have any questions. The event on 4th will be at Westlands at this place known as, let me just give you the location. It will be Aspire Center in Westlands on 4th. Aspire Center in Westlands. Aspire Center in Westlands. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Biggest BMM pips and profits with AI event. Okay. The and here is usually written with a dollar. Pips and profits event will be Aspire Center in Westlands. Aspire Center in Westlands. This is second floor. And guys, if this live is valuable to you, make sure you share it to your Forex guys. Tag them, man. Tell them, hey, come here. Let's trade live together. Let's trade live together. Let's build a career. Here we are not hiding strategies. We are not selling strategies. These strategies that I'm sharing with you here, even if you go and use them, even without my BMM, you'll still be a profitable trader. Yeah, those people who have experience in the trading space, you can confirm that below. With these strategies I'm sharing with you here, even if you are not Even if you're not using BMM, you can still go and become a profitable trader. Biggest BMM pips and profits with AI. Event, Aspire Center in Westlands, second floor. Aspire Center is just opposite Naivas. Okay. This is Delta Corner. Okay. Aspire Center is just opposite Naivas at Delta Corner. So I'll be creating a group for this so that you can be able to discuss more on and give you more updates on what will be happening there. All right, guys. I think today that's the end of our London session. That is the end of London session. GBP AUD pushing. As I told you, this thing we are not closing it until it gives us a 1:3. This thing will push all the way. Expecting it to push all the way. I've noticed one thing with it. It pushes down and then pushes up. Pushes down and then pushes up. So if you're scared about the retracements, you might run away. You might chicken out. Okay, so don't chicken out. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Even for the euro, the euro USD, I truly believe in these buys. The only way will not profit on this trade idea is maybe if it just fakes us out here. Yeah, maybe if it just fakes us out because of spreads or something. But when you take a look at euro USD even on the daily time frame, let's remove all these drawings. If we look at it on the daily time frame, you can be able to see we had a break of this particular zone. And this zone was a very crucial zone. And then after price broke it, we have an engulfing candle above that particular area. Okay, and then after that engulfing candle, we have now this candle coming, testing here, testing this particular zone and rejecting it. Okay, so I have no regret with this euro USD trade idea. It is good to repeat. It is good to repeat your analysis and see if there's something that you have done wrong. And to be honest, I don't think there's anything I've done wrong there. I don't think it's not an A++ setup. If it hits our stop loss, it's just the way it is, right? Just the way it is. Sometimes you can't force these things also. You just let them play out the way they want to play out. That's the end of my London session, guys. Let's keep on trading. We meet during New York session. Wait for time for question and answers before we meet for New York. Okay, so let me see. Someone is saying here euro is on the buy. Yes. Ken is dropping some fire emojis. Emma is dropping some fire emojis. And guys, if you want to meet me physically every single day, not every single day, every single Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm usually at Winsor Brokers, starting from 3. So if you want us to meet and do this live trading from there, we can be able to do that. Date of the event, it's on 4th. Okay, 4th. Euro, is it really buying? Our technical analysis shows us that it is buying, so that is what we'll just follow. We are on the buys on euro, by the way. Any other question, guys? Right, I'll see you on the other side. Be blessed. New York session. Be ready for New York session.